So we know that this equation is actually we cannot differentiate this because we have the x right here, this one, and therefore we need to know the formula given or the formula we learned previously. So from the, if you go to the chapter 10.4.2, we can know that when we have this kind of formula equation, we can solve it by we know that the answer is equal to x t equal to, so this is the form of the answer, sine lambda t plus b cos lambda t. Okay, and then to find the first derivative, you can differentiate it. So the answer is lambda a cos lambda t minus lambda b sin lambda t. Okay, and then if we want to know only the general solution, so this is the general solution. But since we are given the boundary condition, which is this one, and this one, so we can know, we can solve it. So when we consider the x consider this equation, the x equation first, this one. So and we consider the first condition right here. So we will get that when t is equal to 0, x is equal to t is equal to 0, x equal to a sine 0 plus b cos 0, and then we will have, sorry again, this happen all the time, so we will have and this all is equal to 4. So we know that b is equal to 4. Okay, and then we can consider the second condition, which is this one. So what will happen is we use this formula, this one, and then when t is equal to 0, dx dt is equal to lambda a cos 0 minus lambda b sin 0, and this all is equal to 3. So cos 0 is equal to 1, so we have lambda a equal to 3. Okay, so a is equal to 3 over lambda, right? So we can put this value this value and this value inside the equation right here, and we will get that x t equal to 3 over lambda sine delta lambda t plus 4 cos lambda t. Alright, so that is the final answer for this example. Okay, you can look at the example 11. So what is the difference is actually we are using the same equation, and the difference is at the condition. For example 10.10, the condition is the initial condition because t is equal to 0. Okay, but when you look at the example 10.11, the boundary condition is both. For x, it's written there that x, so this is for example 10.11, x 0 is equal to 4. So this is the initial condition. We call it initial condition because t is equal to 0. But for the second condition, which is dx dt, this is the different pi over lambda equal to 3. So this is not the initial condition, but this is the boundary condition. So because the value of t is not 0, so that's the small difference. But both function is same. Both will provide us information, and we can solve by using this value. We can find the two constant a and b. Okay. Alright, so for the example 10.11, you can try it and you can find that the value of a and b is a little different. Okay, so now